Beth Stocks, and I'm a care assistant at Gofalwn Old Vicarage residential home. Basically, I was interested in getting into care when my furlough stopped and I moved back to the area. I started looking for work and I was with the DWP, who put me in touch with Communities for Wales, and I got a mentor called Jo, and she started helping me to figure out what I could do, what I was interested in, and helping me with free courses that would be tailored towards the care industry. I did a free first aid course and a dignity and care course before I even got a job. Previous job was working in wardrobe in the theatre world in the West End in London, and touring for years actually, and with dance companies, so really lovely work, and actually quite a lot of similarities with the care industry, because I was thinking, I need a career change. What actually can I do? There are some parallels in that you've got deadlines, you've got people that you look after, you've got to have attention to detail, there are going to be long hours, it's a physical job, and ultimately when you're backstage you are supporting the production, you're supporting the actors, so it felt like quite a natural transition in some ways. And in fact, when I got to the home my first day, I knew I had a certain amount of residents, and they in my brain were like, well, you've got those residents which are like your actors, and you've got these certain tasks that had to be achieved by certain times, you've got deadlines. So for me the deadline was, if we like to make sure that lunch happens at 12:30, that would be like my 5-minute call for getting down to the stage and everything being in its place. So even though it sounds strange, for me the rhythm of the day, I just felt that I slotted in really naturally to it. And of course, working in theatre, you work with lots of different types of people. You have to be good with communicating. Despite the fact that there isn't a show, it felt like quite a natural transition. Every day is different, but as a care assistant, I basically am caring for the 16 residents that are in the home, and they all have different levels of mobility, independence, etc. So it's anything from helping with meal times to helping people shower and get dressed, and helping them with their daily activities. Or for the people that are less able, there's a lot of lifting, hoisting and washing and dressing, and just generally looking after and making sure that people are safe, warm, well fed, and have got things to keep them interested. So if you're thinking about going into care, it's worth trying and see if you like it. I think you need to naturally have empathy, and there are so many different areas that you could go into that it's worth starting and having a look around and getting a kind of broad feeling for the sector to see if it's something that would appeal. But it's a job that has got potential for promotion, further training, and it would keep your interest. And I don't think there'd be a day that would go by that you thought you hadn't been part of doing something good that day, even though it's very tiring at times.